Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can turn off notifications on 8ballpool's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To turn off 8ballpool's notifications, firstly go ahead and launch open your settings application. Scroll all the way down and tap on App Management. On the next page, click on App List. From the app list, tap on 8ballpool application. Once you do so, click on Manage Notifications option. Slide the slider of Allow Notifications to the left side to turn it off. This is how you can turn off notifications on 8ballpool quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.